speak English, and even though you see English has 26 alphabet, right? Alphabets. Your mother tongue language alphabet are, I think so, 54 or 55, right? But you never struggle to speak your mother tongue, but we are struggle to speak 26 alphabets, right? Because we don't have atmosphere. That is also a big issue. But where you listen, with whom you talk in English, right? That's a big issue. But that's why it is not a rocket science. It is not a big deal. It is required only determination, devotion, dedication, consistency, self motivation, habit. Those kind of ingredient required to enhance any language, right? And language Language doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score, any medium. It is a learnable language. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. And language is just like a driving and swimming. If you want to driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat. If you want to learn swimming, you have to jump into water, right? It is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. Even though you see illiterate people, they cannot read right, but they can speak fluently. Apart from well educated people, we have a double degree on our hand, but we cannot speak in front of any one single sentence, right? Because we always focus fear of judgment. We have language phobia, we have nervousness, we always hesitate to speak in front of anyone, and we have nervousness, right? All kind of miss negativity inside us. But illiterate people, they cannot read right, they speak fluently, they only know listening and speaking, right? That's why language is a skill base. Even though you see, means illiterate people, they can drive four-wheeler, ten-wheeler, truck and tractor, but who have double degree, they cannot drive, right? It is a skill base. They always evaluate. If I die, if I get unexpected incident, right? But illiterate people, they can speak fluently. They never think about anything, right? And I watch also one YouTube video, Gwalior. You are from Gwalior, right? In MP. One boy, his name was Kalu Dada, Kalu, I think so, and he is a tourist guider, and he didn't go to school. He didn't touch school baranda, but he can speak 12 accent, and he is a guider, and he guides, I think so, Miss University and different country, uh, Miss World. And I watch that kind of YouTube video, then I get motivate myself, because people, they learn with themselves, right? So they don't have degree on their hand, but they are good speaker. They can learn 12 accent in different country accent. And I think he's from Gwalior, and he's a tourist guider, Kaludas. Okay, ask me. 75%. Reservation, I want to tell you one thing. Even though you see STSC reservation is a 54%, and OBC reservation is a 27%, right? Then who get lots of reservation? OBC category. STSC, they never get lots of means reservation. Yeah, of course, definitely, of course, because STSC people are backward. They are not economically also, and they are socially also, they are back, right? They are back, and they don't have awareness among them. That's why Ambedkar, he created that constitution among the ST/SC category? Because okay, okay, mm-hmm. Okay, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, you wanted to tell me creamy layer, right? Creamy layer because that's why government actually announced that creamy layer. Hmm. Okay, you tell me. Okay, okay, I got your point. You wanted to tell me because who got that reservation, their generation also get that reservation and they get which benefit, and less people they never get benefit. Do you wanna tell them? Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay, you tell me. Okay, okay, you tell me one thing. Who doesn't have money, they cannot teach their higher study in their their kids. Okay, and who has money and they teach their kids at good school in STSC. Okay, but they never get benefit if they implement in creamy layer because backside all ST/SC कैटेगरी विल बी बैग इन जमींदार का जो प्रथा था उस टाइम को वो बैक हो जाएंगे वो दे डोंट economically के viable they don't have awareness among them who doesn't have money they cannot provide their good education in their kids and who has money they provide their good education in their kids but they cannot get benefit due to creamy layer then they Mhm. It is depend only, yeah, but okay. Okay, you tell me who actually catch the private means department, who actually send their kid in private institute and private school. They are general category people. They get benefit because who doesn't have money, they cannot send their kid in private school and private college. That's what so even okay, okay, I got your point. जिसके पास पैसा नहीं है उनका तो वो बच्चे लोग को नहीं पढ़ा पाएंगे Right? हाँ जिसके पास पैसा है वो तो पढ़ाएगा बट वो नेवर गेट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट ST/SC category they will be sub category right then creamy layer they means they cover creamy layer they fall down by creamy layer who has money and who doesn't they cannot get benefit they never also educated themselves and they never get also that benefit STSC money then that STSC seat will means you can say sell from different category general category. So, general category या, that's why then जैसे पहले था जमीन